Hi, I'm Tamisha with Toolbox Divas, and I finally finished my backyard. Okay, so I know I started this backyard makeover earlier this summer, and it might have taken me like the whole summer to finish it, but that is okay. I'm totally okay with where I am. Truth be told, life got in the way, so it took me a little longer than I expected, but that's okay. I love the way it turned out. Last time I put in this new railing using poultry wire and came up with an economic solution and painted the deck floor blue. I loved the blue. I had an outdoor painted rug and made an outdoor living room, and I enjoyed a lot of time out there. But I got tired of the blue, so I made another change. So the goal of my backyard space was to create a boho coastal vibe. I love the coast. I love being at the beach. I don't live near the beach, but you know, whatever. I thought maybe I could bring that feel, that coastal vibe feel, to my own backyard. And the first step was restaining the deck floor. Removing that blue and bringing in something fresh and vibrant that when you look at it, you're like, oh, that's really beachy. I like that. I stained the floor in this woodland green. And when you look at it, it gives you the feeling and vibe of a coastal beachy environment. And it actually changed the whole look and feel of my deck in my backyard area. Then I went out and I was in search of the perfect furniture. Well, you know, you're always trying to find the perfect solution. And I was on thehomedepot.com, one of my favorite sites. And I found these this conversation piece. So right now, and where I am in my life, I can't get enough wicker. It's my jam, wicker. However, if you remember traditional wicker, it doesn't really work well outdoors. So I found a conversation piece that's wicker and metal, but wicker isn't really wicker. It's actually made of this plastic-like thing that looks like wicker. The conversation set is nice and sturdy. Oh, and the cushions are the best thing ever. And for the accent pieces, I added pillows. This year, I stopped buying outdoor pillows and I started buying pillowcases. So the goal was to find a ton of pillowcases, outdoor pillowcases in different colors that I could change up, and I could always change out the look and the vibe based on the color of the outdoor pillows. And it was way cheaper. Another piece that I added to the deck is the egg hanging chair. I love seeing those hanging chairs. They remind me of my childhood because I remember growing up, we had all these different wicker chairs, the swings. I remember that big round wicker thingamajig that I can't remember the name of. And that's the vibe and feel that I got whenever I would see one of those wicker egg chairs. Now for the plants. So if you guys have been following me for a while, I have become a new plant lady. Yeah. So I feel like every time I went into the Home Depot, I was picking up a new plant. And I started buying more tropical plants. And I bought them in different colors. I bought some purples, some greens, mixed it in with different flowers. And it gave me a really nice, relaxing, posh, tropical feel, beachy feel. So I know what you're thinking. So how do you have a boho coastal vibe without having the beach sand? Well, I'm happy to say we do have beach sand. My daughter brings the beach sand from her playpen. So when my daughter's out here, we end up turning the back deck into a little beachy area where she has her sandbox, and she has an area over on the deck where we put up a little inflatable pool. So one of our most recent additions to the deck is we added solar string lights, and we added some different lights around furniture and some solar lanterns. It allows us to extend the use into like past dusk, and I'm looking forward to really using these in the fall. And I think I'm gonna add a few more lights out in the yard so I could give it even more of that Wonderland feel. But I have to admit, at night, this place lights up. But I like the lighting. I think we're gonna add a few more lighting features. So I also childproofed the deck. I added these gates to both of the deck doors. They're not perfect, but they do the job. They do the job in slowing my daughter down when she bolts it to try and jump off of the deck to go somewhere. I don't know where she's trying to go, but she's always trying to get off the deck. Welcome to my Boho Coastal Backyard. So you're probably asking, am I done? Probably not. My space is always evolving, and I think I'm probably going to change out the coffee table, put something in here that is more toddler friendly, because right now it's square, and I think I need more of a circular coffee table, especially when I see my daughter run around on this deck. I think I need to change that out a little bit. And I've added a bar area, so I think I'm going to add some stools to the bar, and I think I'm going to put in a light feature that, well, stay tuned. You're going to find this interesting. Alright guys, so that's it for my outdoor makeover. I want to hear what you guys think of the outdoor space. Tell me honestly what you think of the color, what you think of the furniture, and what do you think about my newfound plant lady life. And don't be shy. Follow us on social media at Toolbox Divas on Facebook and Instagram. Alright y'all, till next time.